afternoon and welcome to the Trumpet TV Media News Update. I am Blessing Uziwo and here are the major news headlines for today. Misuse registration hits 137 million as Tinubu targets full national enrollment by the end of 2026. APC faults INEC over extension of 2027 candidate submission deadline, while Dangote offers 500,000 naira reward to combat illegal use of company trucks. The federal government upgrades Gombe Snakebite Center to National Research Institute. More details shortly. The Nigerian Digital Identity Program has reached another major milestone, with more than 137 million Nigerians and legal residents now enrolled in the National Identity Database. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has directed the National Identity Management Commission (NIMC) to ensure that every eligible Nigerian is registered before the end of 2026. According to NIMC Director General Dr. Abishoye Koka Odusote, the latest enrollment figure stands at over 137.3 million, making it one of the largest digital identity databases in Africa. The federal government says achieving universal enrollment is critical for national planning, economic development, security, and improved public service delivery. The administration recently signed the new NIMC Act 2026, replacing the 2007 law and strengthening Nigeria's digital identity framework under the new legislation. The National Identification Number, or NIN, become the country's primary identity credential for accessing key services including banking, passport application, voters registration, pension, taxation, healthcare, and government programs. The law also introduced stronger safeguards against identity theft, multiple registration, and unauthorized access to personal data. NIMC says new biometric verification system, including fingerprint and facial recognition technology, has significantly reduced the possibility of duplicate identities. To speed up enrollment, the Commission has expanded registration centers to communities nationwide through partnership under the World Bank-supported Identification for Development projects. Officials says the goal is to bring registration closer to rural communities, underserved populations, and Nigerians living abroad. The Commission believes Nigeria can achieve more than 95% enrollment before the end of this year. Nigerians who have not yet registered are being encouraged to enroll without delay, while those with existing records are advised to update their information where necessary. The government says a reliable national identity system will improve security, reduce fraud, strengthen financial inclusion, and support the country's digital economy. The All Progressive Congress (APC) has criticized the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) for extending the deadline for political parties to submit their candidates for the 2027 general election. INEC announced the political parties now have until Tuesday to upload the names and particulars of their nominated candidates following requests from the Inter-Party Advisory Council known as IPAC. According to INEC, the extension became necessary after technical issues reportedly affected the candidate nomination portal during the first few days of the exercise. However, APC says the Commission should not have changed the deadline. Speaking on the development, APC National Publicity Secretary Felix Morka argued that the ruling party met the original deadline despite fielding candidates for all the elective offices. He accused opposition parties of failing to organize their internal processes before seeking additional time from INEC. Morka maintained that if the APC truly controlled the Electoral Commission, as critics often claim, it would have insisted the original deadline remain unchanged. Meanwhile, IPAC defended its request for an extension. Its national chairman, Dr. Yusuf Maman Dentali, explained that several political parties experienced technical difficulties while trying to upload candidates onto the INEC portal. He said the additional time was necessary to ensure that no political party was unfairly excluded from participating in the electoral process. The People's Democratic Party (PDP) says it successfully uploaded its presidential and National Assembly candidates before the initial deadline. Similarly, the Labour Party confirmed that it experienced no significant technical challenges during the nomination exercise. INEC has argued that all political parties yet to complete the process are to make full use of the extension. The Dangote Industry Limited has launched a nationwide whistleblower program aimed at stopping the illegal use of its truck. The company is offering cash reward of 500,000 naira to anyone who provides credible information leading to the arrest of offenders. According to Dangote Industries, the initiative is part of efforts to protect its logistics network and eliminate unauthorized haulage operations across the country. The company explained that each category of Dangote truck is approved to transport only specific products. For example, Dangote cement trucks are authorized to carry cement, clinker, limestone, and gypsum. Dangote sugar trucks are restricted to sugar products, while NASCOM vehicles are designated for salt and seasoning products. The company warned that any truck found transporting unauthorized goods would be treated as engaging in illegal commercial haulage. Drivers and owners of such goods could face arrest, confiscation of cargo, and prosecutions. Members of the public have been encouraged to report suspicious activities by providing details such as truck registration number, vehicle description, locations, and photographs where available. Dedicated hotlines have been established to receive reports from across Nigeria. Dangote says law enforcement agencies, including the Nigerian Police Force, have been authorized to arrest anyone caught misusing the company's branded trucks. The company believes the whistleblower program will improve transparency, strengthen accountability, and reduce logistic-related fraud nationwide. Dangote Industry is urging Nigerians to support the initiative by reporting suspicious activity to help protect companies' assets and maintain the integrity of its transportation network. The federal government has approved the upgrade of the Gombe Snakebite Center in Kotongo into the National Snakebite Research and Medical Center, marking a significant step in Nigerians' fight against snakebite-related deaths and disabilities. The approval was granted during the Federal Executive Council meeting chaired by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Health Authority says the upgraded institution will become Nigeria's leading center for snakebite treatment, research, healthcare training, and anti-snake venom production center. According to the Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Muhammad Ali Pat, the new center will provide specialized medical care, conduct advanced research into snake bite management, train healthcare workers, and collaborate with international partners. Nigeria records an estimated 43,000 snakebite cases every year, with rural farming communities in the northeast, northwest, and north central regions are amongst the most affected. Many victims suffered permanent disability, amputation, and in several cases death due to limited access to treatment. Officials say the upgraded institution will improve access to quality anti-snake venom while strengthening Nigeria's response to what the World Health Organization classifies as a neglected tropical disease. The approval forms part of broader health sector investment valued at more than 128 billion naira. Other approvals include funding for tuberculosis treatment, reproductive health commodities, and compressed natural gas blood pressure donation vehicles. Health experts have welcomed the decision, but stressed that the adequate funding, timely implementation, and affordable treatment will be essential to ensure the center delivers its intended impact. The upgraded National Snakebite Research and Medical Center is expected to serve not only Nigeria but also the wider West African region as a center of excellence for snakebite prevention, research, and treatment. And that's the media news update on the Trumpet TV. I am Blessing Oziwo. Thank you for watching.